All right, so today we're going to be working on solving equations with variables on both sides. And here's just a very, very basic equation. But I took the time and wrote the steps on the side. If you follow these steps over here, you should be able to actually solve any equation that comes your way. Like literally all of them. You don't always have to do every step, but these steps will get you there, okay? So let's start with what I have written down over here. Let me just get the right color word up. There we go. Okay, so one, it says simplify each side. That's the first step. If I look over here, that can't be simplified anymore. 3x minus 14 is just still 3x minus 14. And I look on this side, that can't be simplified anymore either. So I'm not going to worry about that portion of it, okay? Can't be simplified. So now the next thing is bring variables to one side using inverse operations. And I put this little plus minus thing here, and what I mean by that is you can only do this using addition and subtraction if you're going to move a variable to one side, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, let's add 7x to both sides, okay? And so now this becomes 0x, and 0x is nothing, so that's just gone, okay? And this becomes 10x. So now you've got 10x minus 14 equals 26. Well, now this looks like a regular two-step equation. And so you get to go to rule number 3, which is solve backwards using inverse operations, right? And we talked about this before. In order of operations, we normally would do the multiplication first with this 10 times x and then subtract the 14. So we're going to do the opposite of that, all right? And we're going to go ahead and add 14 to both sides. Then we'll end up with 10x equals 40. And then we'll divide by 10 on both sides. And we'll end up with x equals 4. Okay? And that's really it. Those steps will work every single time.